Say what?
I love getting really close with this lens.
I hate it.
You're cute, yeah.
Oh, it feels great.
Yeah.
Real nice, real nice. Should we get a little light up in here?
Am I talking or you?
You start.
I always start and you always yell at me for sounding stupid. What's up, guys? We are in South Carolina this week. We flew into Charlotte, North Carolina this morning and then drove down here to Myrtle Beach, where we'll be spending the next few days celebrating Bree's 21st birthday.
Woo-hoo!
Oh yeah. We're down here with Bree's parents. They're at the beach right now, so we're gonna go walk around and go find them.
We're gonna be vlogging our little shenanigans that we're gonna do while we're here. It's nothing crazy like our travel vlogs, but just little stuff so you can see what we're up to.
Yeah, we've never been to the Carolinas, so
yeah,
we thought it'd be fun to come check it out and make a little video about it. So
yeah.
let's get started. Oh, it's so cute. Happy birthday, bro.
Bro.
Should I redo it?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Bree. Ooh.
No.
Ooh, happy birthday, Bree.
That's the only one that you've got to sign besides what you got to sign when we get there. Hey, she's 21 today. We're going to the winery. Woo!
Some Topgolf.
Yes.
We're going to have some drinks. We're going to go out tonight on Main Street to some clubs. Bree's able to get in.
Hell yeah. 21 bitches.
21 bitches. Oh, you can't see that I'm smiling.
Topgolf.
Topgolf.
Hey, Bree.
Okay.
How was Topgolf?
Killed it. Crushed it.
We did crush it. Topgolf was a blast.
Me. Just kidding.
That was kind of Bree's first time golfing, and she smoked it.
I do have a pretty good swing.
Great swing. Even the old guy.
Even the old guy told me so.
Even the old guy working there told her so. Topgolf was a blast.
It was.
I don't know what we're doing now, but I'm sure it'll be fun.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you there, guys. Alright, Bree, what are we doing now? Looking sexy, first of all, I guess?
We are doing putt-putt golf because we are an avid putting family and we are going to have a competition this week of who can putt the best at probably 5 or 6 different courses.
Let's get to it. This first one has 3 different levels on it, so it should be pretty cool.
Do it. Do it. Yes.
That's it. So Dee and I are tied for first, going into the 19th hole, and it's do or die right here.
Get there. Get there.
Oh, they ended at the same spot.
So we're gonna end this one in a tie, and we'll carry on our scores to the next round of putt-putt.
Right.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
so sexy. All right. Give me a birthday.
So
Airkin.
where we were there is where the.
Oh, so beautiful. We're going to birthday dinner. We're running late. We'll talk to you later.
Turtles. Turtles.
Where are we going?
We're going putt-putting again. Unfortunately, I lost the game yesterday, but we are going to carry on our scores and see who can win overall. But I'll say I got the most hole-in-ones. I got 5 hole-in-ones on the course yesterday. Killing it. I also got a few 5s.
What's your strategy for putt-putt today here?
Low, straight. My main aim today is to get 3 strokes at least back because I'm down on the field 3 strokes. So it's going to happen. And I'd like to reverse that question to you, J-Mel. Do you have the magic that you had yesterday to compete at a high level, which you're going to need to do?
We will soon find out.